Hello everyone and welcome to Lessons with Alice. Today I'm going to talk about a common mistake which many people make when they speak English. And that is the difference between the short and long vowel sounds. For example, with the words slip and sleep, live and leave. Also ship and sheep. Now watch my mouth carefully so you can see the difference when I say each word. Slip, I. Sleep, E. Live, I. Leave, E. Do you see when I'm making the long vowel sound E that it looks like I'm smiling? Leave, sleep, sheep. And when I say the short vowel sound, my mouth is like this. Live, slip, ship. I hope that you will practice saying these words and making the vowel sound long and short. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the subscribe button. And be sure and let me know if there's something that you would like me to teach you. That's all for today. I need to leave you now. Goodbye.